Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable notifications on Windows 10. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. And then select Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, click on System. From the left sidebar on the left, choose Notifications and Actions. Under the Notification section, you will see an option labeled Get Notification from Apps and Other Senders. Toggle this switch to Off to disable all notifications. If you prefer to disable notifications from specific apps rather than all notifications, scroll down to the Notifications from these sender actions. And here you will see a list of apps that can send notifications. So normally you have to toggle off the switch next to any app from which you no longer wish to receive notifications. So here you can see that these options are unavailable because I already turned off all notifications. So to turn this off individually, you have to turn this on first, and you will see all of the button is visible now. For instance, if I turn off this, I'll not get any notification from this app. So that's pretty simple, right? By following these steps, you can effectively manage and disable notifications on your Windows 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.